Stop bra straps from sliding. Bras provide support for the breasts. The right bra can help lift your breasts and create cleavage, improve your posture, create a better silhouette and help you look thinner. One of the drawbacks of wearing a bra is that sometimes, the straps may slide. This can be an embarrassing situation, especially when you are wearing something sleeveless when your straps peek out. Here's how you can put a stop to this unsightly occurrence and keep your bra straps from sliding. Wear the right-sized bra. The first thing you need to do to make sure that your bra straps don't fall or slide off is to wear the correct bra. More than half of women don't wear the correct side. This improper fit is one of the reasons why bra straps slide off. Go to a lingerie store and get yourself properly fitted. The correct bra will feel as if you aren't wearing anything, even if you have full support. The straps won't dig in, nor will it slide off your shoulders. If you lose or gain weight, get pregnant or have other changes to your body, your breast size will change, resulting in a change in your bra size. Choose a racer back style bra. A style of bra that is sure not to have the straps slide off is the racer back bra. Unlike regular bras, the racer back bra has the straps gathered at the middle of the back. This prevents the straps from sliding off. Another bra option to consider is to wear a sports bra. Both sports bras and racer back style bras are designed to allow freedom of movement or the arms, while providing ample breast support. Go strapless. Another way to ensure that your bra straps don't slide off is to remove the straps completely. If you wear a strapless bra, then there will be no straps to worry about. Let go of the bra when it is past its prime. Check the bras you currently have. If it's over 2 years old or it looks frayed or worn, it's time to take it out of your lingerie drawer. Old bras that have stretched out will slide off your shoulders, regardless how much you adjust the straps. For the bras that you currently have, make sure that you launder it correctly. Ideally, bras should be hand-washed. If you put it in the washing machine, use the gentlest laundry cycle with cold water. Also, don't throw in your bras in the clothes dryer as this will destroy the fibers of the fabric. When this happens, your straps are sure to slide off. Use a bra strap holder. Go to the lingerie department and purchase a pack of bra strap holders. There are usually 3 pieces in a pack, colored white, nude and black. Follow the instructions on the packing to use. A bra strap holder will keep your straps in place. The next time you feel like your straps are sliding off, be sure to take any of the following measures to make sure it doesn't happen again.